Hey friends, welcome to Smart Money Experts. On this channel you will get the hottest stocks tips and alerts to trade in the direction of the smart money institutions and influencers. If this sounds good to you, please hit that like and subscribe button, with bell notification turn on to all, so you don't miss out on the hottest trending stocks alert, and miss out on some serious gains. But before we begin, please know I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a virtual computer program to give you the best stock tips for you to do your own research. The channel's material is only for education and entertainment purposes only. Alright. Let's get this money. Here we go. These are the top 3 stocks picks, from the top influencers with over 100,000 subscribers on their channel. If you want the full video to these stocks picks, the links to their channel will be in the descriptions. Let's get this money. The first stocks picks is from the Traveling Trader, with 143,000 subscribers on his channel.
Before I get into it, if you get anything out of this video, leave it a big fat thumbs up just like this. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know which one of these penny stocks you're trading. So first penny stock on our list is Sundial, ticker symbol SNDL. I talked about this in my best stocks to buy for February 2021. But here's a few more facts about Sundial. Sundial currently has a clean balance sheet as they restructured their debt. They recently did a stock offering, which is great because you don't want that threat looming over you. A lot of traders are hesitant to buy something when they feel like an offering is coming up because an offering tends to dilute the price in the short term. We did see a little drop to almost a 21 EMA. And today we are back up to around $1.21, but I'm very bullish on Sundial. So my 2021 target for Sundial is between the $3 and $4 range, which is almost 3 to 4 times what it is today.
Thank you, Traveling Trader, for our first stock picks on our list. Let's now go on to the second stocks picks. Next, here we have top influencer Vincent Chan, and he has 107,000 subscribers on his channel. Again, the link to his channel will be in the descriptions. Now let's get this money.
What's up, money makers? Vincent Chan here, and today we're talking about a company that Chamath himself, the billionaire investor, is a huge fan of. And I quote, he states it is the best SaaS company he has ever seen/invested in. So give me exactly what we're covering. Number 1, a company overview. Number 2, a financial focus. Number 3, what are the risks involved? And finally, number 4, what am I doing with all this information? And the only thing I ask of you in return is to hit that like button. And if you are new here, welcome to the Money Makers family. Make sure you join by smashing the subscribe button and ringing the notification. Called Latch, where the current symbol is TSIA because it's going through a SPAC merger with TS Innovation Acquisition Corp, which by the way is a leading real estate developer, operator, and owner. And this is actually a really important fact to remember when we actually dive into the product of Latch. When this merger is completed, the new ticker symbol is going to be LTCH. And before you go out there thinking this is a stock recommendation, it is not. It is a stock analysis, meaning I do highlight the risk and what I'm personally going to be doing, and that might not always be purchasing the stock. It might be adding it to my watch list. I might be completely ignoring the stock. You're gonna have to watch till the end to find out. So Latch is essentially a really smart doorknob with its own operating system called Latch OS. So you can see that connection with the SPAC company of a real estate developer, Doorknob Real Estate. So you can pick from all these different Latch devices, however you want it to look, however you want it to style. And then it's connected with this thing called the Latch software, or Latch OS, where with the Latch device and Latch OS, you can actually connect with a bunch of different other apps or software, such as Google Nest, such as UPS. Essentially, Latch works hand in hand with the country's largest real estate owners and developers as partners, Tishman Speyer, which is actually a really good gateway for them to start expanding and penetrating into the real estate market because they already have those established connections. So currently, Latch on the App Store has about 1,000 reviews, rating average of 4.6 stars, so it's nothing out of the ordinary, but it is a positively reviewed app. Essentially, things that you can do with Latch, it's a lot of really basic stuff, such as you can unlock the door if you are a resident, if you're a business owner. You can share the ownership of Latch with other people. You can control your smart home, such as your thermostat. You can use it as an intercom, such as Ring doorbell, to see who is at the door. And then in the future, they're planning to add connectivity with the internet, with insurance, with services, etc. So it's really attempting to be a consolidated player in this space. where not only is it similar to like a Ring doorbell, where you can see who's on the other end, but also being able to connect to your smart home, etc. And essentially the people that actually buys Latch products, it's not really the resident themselves. No, it's the building owners or the property owners that want it to become a more seamless, luxurious, smart access for their residents. For example, smart home and sensors, having more connectivity, improving the resident experience, delivery and guest management, and smart access. Which sounds like all really buzzwords right now, but we'll actually dive into the amount of money that building owners can potentially save, as well as the money that can generate from including this Latch product in their own buildings in just a few minutes. And the revenue they recurringly generate is $7 to $12 per apartment per month. So what really attracted me to Latch in terms of a SaaS company, and similar to the Kalera video over here, is that they have a 0% churn rate, meaning that every time they acquire a customer, so far, no one has left the Latch platform. We've experienced 0 customer churn since launching in summer 2017, and our direct sales model enables high repeat customer bookings, larger deal sizes, and upselling activity. And this means 2 things that you need to know as an investor. The first one is if you're already established in a building, you have Latch doorknobs on every single resident. That means it's very easy to upsell the product, meaning when they have future additions, such as what we talked about earlier, they include internet, they include insurance, it's gonna be much easier for you as a building owner to purchase those additional services, thereby increasing the amount of money you spend for the Latch product. The second one is if you're a real estate developer and you own building A, more likely than not, you're gonna create building B, C, and D. Meaning that if you already are very happy with the Latch product and building A, then you're more likely than not going to also build buildings B, C, and D with the Latch product as well. I also think it's a very sticky business model, meaning if you already decided to install 100 residents with the Latch doorknob and another competitor comes in, you're very likely not going to be changing every single doorknob in every resident's door just because another competitor drops into the space. And Latch's first mover advantage of being able to consolidate all these aspects is actually really, really powerful.
Thank you, Vincent, for our second stock picks on our list. Let's now go on to the final stock picks of the day. Finally, here we have another top influencer stock, Mo, and he has 368,000 subscribers on his channel. Again, the link to his channel will be in the descriptions. Now let's get this money.
Now the first of the best penny stocks to buy now is My American Battery Metals Corp, and we know that this stock ABML is one of my favorites out there because it's in an industry, it works, it's 20 miles away, they're setting up shop 20 miles away from the Giga Factory 1 in Nevada for Tesla, and these guys, they go out there and they recycle lithium ion batteries. So it makes a natural fit for what I like in my portfolios, clean energy, EVs, gotta recycle. I know it is my hope that Tesla gets to the point that they can get all their lithium by recycling lithium-ion batteries besides having to mine them out. I think that would be a good goal for Tesla, and that's something that made me really like this stock because it was mentioned during Battery Day that that would be the ultimate goal, would be to get to that point that they wouldn't have to mine it, they could recycle all the lithium they need. So thinking of that, this stock to me made perfect sense, and so when they've been coming out, they're building a factory right now. They have the water rights, they got the land, they got the construction company, and they're 20 miles away. So it's all, and from what I'm reading is that I think it was 90,000 tons of recycling is done in this industry that they're in. And for the lithium ion batteries and everything else, they're gonna have the capabilities, and that's around the world, 90,000 tons. They're gonna have the capability of doing 20,000 tons in this factory. So around the entire world of everything, they're gonna have 20,000 tons out of the, if you put in the 90,000 tons with them, out of 110,000 tons. So they're gonna be close to that 20% of the worldwide recycling right off the bat. So they're gonna be a major recycling company. So for companies like Tesla and some of these other EVs looking to vertically integrate, this could be a great acquisition. Once they're up and running, once they're rolling, I could see this being a takeover for a company that would like to have that, if that makes sense, for these big EVs. I can see Tesla having it so close, being able to purchase it. Maybe that's the ultimate goal of this company. No matter what though, I could see that being a major play moving forward, and that being a possibility if they're successful, which I think they're gonna be. So that's my first of my best stocks, my best penny stocks to buy now.